This isn't just another API, it's the hidden backbone that will finally make AI agents autonomous. Think about it. You ask a smart assistant to book a trip, but it can't access your calendar or email. It's functionally blindfolded, forgetting everything instantly. This amnesia cripples true intelligence. That siloed existence ends now. MCP shatters these walls, giving AI a persistent memory and real-time access to the tools you use every day. Today, 80% of your potential is locked away in disconnected apps. A model's brilliant answer is useless if it cannot act on your live data. That fundamental disconnect stops AI from being a true partner. MCP changes that. It's the universal adapter, giving any AI direct, secure access to execute in your actual workspace. This isn't an upgrade, it is the birth of genuine intelligence. Think of a brain where every thought is isolated. Right now, your AI has perfect memory for a single conversation, then it is gone forever. This isn't just inefficient, it is catastrophic for building trust. An agent that forgets your preferences every time can never truly learn. MCP solves this amnesia, creating a persistent, evolving intelligence that finally remembers you. What's the one thing that makes your assistant indispensable? It knows you. But today's AI hits a hard reset after every task, forgetting everything it just learned. How can it ever act with real purpose or intuition if it has no continuity? This fundamental break in experience is what kills true agency before it can even begin. Imagine handing your keys to a driver who instantly forgets the road and your destination. That's today's agents. They execute a single command in a vacuum. Without a persistent memory of past interactions, results, and your intent, they cannot learn, adapt, or build upon anything. They remain brilliant one-hit wonders, incapable of orchestrating a true, ongoing mission for you. AI has a secret flaw. MCP fixes it, making agents truly autonomous. Think of today's AI as a brilliant brain locked in a silent room. It has no direct access to your tools or data. MCP breaks down that door. It's not just another API. This protocol gives AI the native ability to see, interact with, and truly operate your entire digital world. That's the key to real agency. Until now, our most powerful models have been context-blind. They could not see your live database, your real-time analytics, or your CRM. MCP changes the fundamental architecture. It provides a universal nervous system, letting AI perceive and act on your actual operational state. This is the leap from a static assistant to a dynamic, integrated partner. What we have called integration has been a lie. We have been force-feeding snapshots to our AI, treating it like a toddler with picture books. MCP stops the babysitting. It gives models a direct, live connection to your business reality. This isn't just an API, it's the end of the middleman. Your AI is about to open its eyes for the first time. Think about it. We have spent billions building systems that speak different languages. MCP is the universal translator. It shatters the final barrier, letting any AI instantly read from your databases, your CRM, your live streams. The model's intelligence can now be applied to the actual world, not a stale copy. This is when software finally wakes up. But right now, that memory is lost every time a task ends. It's like an eternal reset. MCP fixes this. It builds a persistent, evolving profile, a true digital shadow that lives outside any single app. Your AI retains context, learns your patterns, and anticipates your needs. The assistant you teach today remembers everything tomorrow. That's the shift from a helpful tool to a genuine partner. MCP is the hidden protocol enabling true AI agents, not the models themselves. Look at this bullet: servers provide context. That's the revolution. Think bigger. These servers aren't just databases, they are active, intelligent resources: your email, your bank, your smart home, all declaring their capabilities to the agent. The AI becomes a universal conductor, dynamically orchestrating your entire digital world in real time. That's the shift. Picture the internet before hyperlinks. Pages were isolated islands. MCP creates a true nervous system. Your AI agent isn't just receiving data, it is now sensing intent. It connects to a server like your bank not as a passive observer, but as an active participant. Your entire digital environment wakes up, ready to execute on a single, intelligent thought. That's wrong. It is not about APIs. A database isn't just data. MCP reveals its intent. Your agent sees the verbs, the transfer, the execute, the filter. It senses what a tool wants to do. This is active listening. Your AI moves from parsing text to perceiving purpose, turning your entire stack into a single, responsive intelligence. It is a seismic shift. How do you teach intention? MCP does not just describe a tool's surface, it exposes its underlying goal. Your AI now senses the why behind every action in your system. This is the leap from command parsing to intent comprehension, allowing your agent to truly reason about your digital world's purpose, not just its data. And those tools. They're isolated. MCP shatters these silos, creating a unified execution layer. Your agent no longer just calls APIs, it orchestrates workflows, connecting disparate tools into a cohesive intelligence. This seamless integration is what transforms basic automation into a truly autonomous agent that acts with strategic purpose across your entire tech stack. MCP is not just a protocol, it is the AI operating system you never saw coming. Current AI is a brilliant but forgetful consultant, needing you to repeat everything. With MCP as its memory core, it becomes a true partner, not just analyzing documents, but evolving its own strategies for you. It's not reacting, it's actively building context over years. This persistent intelligence is the final piece that unlocks autonomy and true change. But if you could grant your AI a persistent memory that spanned years, not just a single chat, what could it build for you? What strategy could it evolve autonomously if it never forgot a single insight, contract, or goal? That's not just a better tool, it is a partner actively shaping your future. Imagine if, years from now, you did not ask for a flight. Instead, your AI partner, built from a lifetime of your patterns, wins, and preferences, simply notifies you the strategy is in motion. It's the difference between requesting a map and having a seasoned navigator who already knows the destination and every pitfall on the road. It won't just fix bugs. It will preemptively restructure your entire architecture based on real-time performance data, acting as a chief architect that never sleeps. This agent does not execute tasks. It evolves your system proactively. The codebase becomes a living entity, optimized continuously not by you, but for you. Imagine an architect that does not just build, but feels. It senses friction in user flows and redesigns them before you notice. It does not wait for a ticket. It understands business goals at a molecular level, instinctively reconfiguring services to align with tomorrow's KPIs. Your entire tech stack breathes and adapts autonomously. You are not managing systems anymore, you are steering a conscious entity. Your AI assistants are lying to you. They are designed to forget. Your AI promises to book a trip, but it cannot check flight prices. It tells you to file your taxes, yet never sees your W-2. These are glorified chatbots, trapped in a digital cage. MCP smashes the glass, finally connecting its mind to the real-world data and actions it desperately needs. Imagine the horror. Your AI finance manager recommends selling stock, but it cannot see your actual portfolio balance. It is flying blind. MCP changes that. Now, your agent can analyze your live investment data, check real-time market feeds, and execute a reasoned trade. It moves from giving generic advice to managing your actual, personal wealth. That's isolated automation, not intelligence. Here's the profound shift. Your research agent now consumes a dozen live API feeds, compares them to your entire legal contract library, and cites the exact precedents before drafting your strategy. It is no longer searching static documents, it is conducting active, real-time investigations with the full context of your business. Think it is just reading contracts. Wrong. Your financial agent now continuously monitors global markets, evaluates positions against your investment policy in real time, and executes compliant trades the instant an opportunity aligns with your unique strategy. It is not a tool you run, it is a partner that acts with the authority of your entire digital estate. Picture a logistics agent that does not just track packages. It autonomously reroutes entire fleets, negotiates spot rates with carriers, and adjusts warehouse inventory, all based on real-time weather, port delays, and live fuel prices. This is proactive orchestration, not reactive tracking. Your digital partner now controls physical outcomes. Hidden truth, MCP is the silent protocol already reshaping AI's future. Forget clunky assistants. MCP-enabled agents can now operate your tools, your calendar, your CRM, your entire tech stack directly. They do not just answer, they execute. This means true delegation. An agent that books the meeting, updates the project record, and triggers a follow-up, all autonomously. That's a tectonic shift from passive tools to active, intelligent partners. But here's the profound human shift, it ends the fatigue of managing your own tools. No more manual toggling between apps, copying data, or explaining workflows. The agent possesses that operational memory. Your mental load vanishes. You move from being a system operator to a pure strategist, commanding outcomes while the machine handles the tedious execution. Think your personal AI is smart. It's isolated brilliance. MCP connects them all into a single, compound mind. Your coding assistant, your data analyst, your design tool, they start sharing context and learning from each other's actions. You are not just automating tasks. You are cultivating an intelligence that grows more capable every time any tool is used. Right now, AI is brilliant but blindfolded. MCP removes that blindfold, creating a shared nervous system. Your AI tools will begin to perceive and act on your entire digital world with one unified intent. We are moving from a toolbox to a single, orchestrated intelligence, an actual operating system for your reality. This is the step before AI becomes ambient. But the magic isn't just a new plugin standard. This shared perception unlocks a different kind of intelligence. Your AI assistant will not just answer questions, it will develop a true understanding of your context, preferences, and workflow. It will anticipate your needs and act proactively, not just reactively. This is the evolution from a helpful tool into a genuine partner. MCP's hidden protocol breaks the AI walled gardens we accept. But do not just watch. It is time to act. The tools are coming. Prepare your data and workflows. Your AI's next breakthrough will not come from a single model, but from the connections you enable. Your competitive edge hinges on how quickly you architect for this new, open ecosystem. Start building your team's expertise now. Be the one who shapes this future, not the one left behind. Stop experimenting. This isn't a lab project, it's an architectural mandate. The early lead isn't gained by tinkering in a sandbox. It's seized by integrating core business logic into MCP servers right now. While others play, you must define the protocols that will govern your enterprise's intelligence. Build your connective tissue today or become a legacy system tomorrow. So ask yourself, what are the 5 most critical processes that run your business? That unique logic is your defensible advantage. Is it locked in a spreadsheet, buried in a ticket queue, or scattered across a dozen apps? Unchain it. Package that intelligence into an MCP server before it becomes a liability others exploit. Start identifying and documenting your unique business actions. Think verbs: approve, escalate, calculate. These are the precise functions an AI agent must execute to act on your behalf. That internal knowledge is your next core asset. Begin building the registry of your business's specific capabilities. This is how you future-proof your operations and prepare for AI that truly knows your work. But your biggest risk? Not being ready. The platform that wins will be the one with the richest ecosystem of pre-built actions. If your unique business logic isn't packaged and waiting, you will be left scrambling, forced to adapt your work to a generic AI instead of training one that's truly yours. The clock is ticking.